What's up, guys? How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT here. Today's the big day that you guys have all been waiting for. I finally took delivery of my 2019 Mustang GT. But before I show you the car, I need to tell you a little bit of something about the whole process and what ended up happening. So I was actually on my way to class and I found a Mustang that I really liked at a local dealership. So I gave him a call and I went in, and the rest was history. They were able to get me in and out of there in about 2.5 hours. It was a very quick process. Everything happened quickly. They negotiated well. They, were very easygoing. And honestly, it was one of the better car buying experiences that I've ever had. So I absolutely want to shout them out and give them a big thumbs up for showing love and being so great at what they do. So Auto Nation of Tustin, that's a Ford dealership that you guys should check out if you're looking for a Mustang. They did a great job with me, and hopefully they'll do the same for you guys. Now let's go ahead and get into the video. Here it is. Enjoy me taking delivery of my 2019 Mustang GT. Alright guys, so I've been at the dealership. I went in there, I saw the car, checked the car out, everything, and well, the deal is done. Pretty much about to pick it up right now. Just got my brand new car. Excited to show it to you guys. And man, it's been quite the journey getting to this point. Did a lot of shopping, tried out a lot of cars. So we're just kind of wrapping up some paperwork inside, and then we'll show you the brand new ride on the Rush SRT channel. So bear with me. I'm gonna go inside now, sign some paperwork, and then we'll check out the car. Oh, these look nice.
Very cool.
Nice. Cool.
And the only reason why it doesn't have the remote start
is manual.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you'd have that.
This one I get to keep, right? Because it's my credit score and everything like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool. Window sticker, we'll keep that as well.
Sure. And then you'll have an original window sticker too. They'll fold it up and put it in your glove box, right?
Awesome. Okay,
Yeah.
let's save these.
Yeah. Do you need water or anything? It's been a while.
Water would be good.
You got it. Go grab that.
Alright guys, so just pretty much waiting on finance at this point. Got me in and out of here pretty quick, not gonna lie. Showed up this morning around like what, 12:30? It's 2:30, I'm almost done. So I didn't get to drive the car yet, so I didn't drive the car. I'm gonna drive it. First time driving is gonna be on camera. You guys will see it as soon as we drive away here. So I'm actually heading to class. I have a class in about an hour or so. So it's gonna be interesting trying to make it over in the new car. That's a manual. I haven't driven like manual in a minute. So this is gonna be interesting, but here we go. All right.
You like photographer or you just for
I
hobby?
make YouTube videos.
Oh, you do those?
Yeah, about cars.
Wow, I watch those all the time.
Cool, maybe you'll watch me next.
What's?
It's Rush SRT. RUSH SRT.
Okay, I'm going to go over these options with you, and then you can decide whichever you want to add. Okay?
What if I don't want to add on anything? I just want my base payment.
That you can do that too.
I can do that too?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
But that may not be the best option for you.
Yeah, I mean, I work on my cars a lot, and I'm probably gonna end up modifying this one, kind of how my channel goes. So I don't.
No, even the warranty stays. You change tires, for example. You put new wheels, it goes with the new wheels. And are you going to do your own oil changes? It won't take time.
Yeah.
Signing doesn't take time. It takes 5-6 minutes to sign. Okay, I'll just send over all the docs to them. Okay, what I want you to do is sign off over here. Let me grab it. Just sign off in that box.
Sign or initial?
Just sign. Sign. These are all your paperwork. You need anything, just contact us.
Awesome.
Amy, please come to finance. Customer ready for delivery. Amy, please come to finance.
Thank you so much. No problem. Alrighty guys, so just walked out of the dealership now. Car is officially mine. I gotta get everything put into it. So excited for it. Here it is. Brand new ride. Alright guys, so we're just pretty much it, just taking delivery of it now. I have to head to school though, which is not fun, especially when you first pick up a car, but finally the long shopping process has ended. We have the new ride for the channel. Super pumped for it. We're just getting the temporary plates on because this is the new law for California. You have to have temporary plates on now. Before you could ride around with dealer plates, but no longer the case. So they're putting that on just so that I could drive it and not get in trouble.
Apparently, a couple of my detailers were familiar with you. They were like, no way. I'm like, yeah, he's up there right now buying a car.
Wait, about me?
Yeah.
Tell them not to spoil the surprise for my audience. Okay, let me screw that in.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, it's official.
You have the car loaded in, yeah?
Yeah.
Sounds so nice.
Alright. Okay, so what do we do from here? So do these come with navigation, or is that something you have to?
No, it does come with navigation, but you can also use your Apple CarPlay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So the heated cooled seats, full option, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. Got that digital dash. Love it.
I know you're super familiar with the car. You know you have to go to school.
Yeah.
Do you want to come back another day to kind of go over
Maybe
the
if there's
features?
something that comes up, yeah.
Absolutely.
But other than that, I think
feel
I'm
confident?
pretty good. Yeah, she did a great job, guys. She got me in and out. Brand new car. The search is finally over. If you are looking for somebody for a Mustang, go ahead and check out Amy. I'm gonna go ahead and leave her information. She is at AutoClick in Tustin. So check her out, guys. She did a phenomenal job. Got me the car that I wanted. I mean, check this thing out, this interior. Do I need to say more? Okay, anything else?
No, congratulations.
Oh, okay, thank you so much.
Take care.
All right, cool.
And then, and I'll send you an online, like email, like an online manual, basically.
Gotcha. Okay,
Talk to you
take
soon.
care. Bye-bye. Alrighty, guys, we're taking off in the manual GT. Oh my God. I can't believe this, guys. I legit cannot believe this. Literally, I'm in my brand new 2019 Mustang GT. Woo, baby, what a day. All right, guys, I gotta drive to school, but I'll catch you after class. Alrighty guys, so I just pulled up to school and oh my God, the excitement in me is just unbelievable. I haven't been this excited about a new car in a long time. And not the fact that it's just a Mustang, but it's just the fact that I've been able to get an SRT and a Mustang. I'm just so blessed, man, and like just so much motivation to just keep grinding and work harder, because as a car guy, there's no better feeling than being able to drive a car that was kind of like one of your dream cars, or a car that you had as a goal of having. You know, I remember when this car first came out, the Mustang, I just saw it and I loved it. And now, like fast forward a couple of years, some hard work and dedication, you know, saving money, stuff like that, you're able to afford one comfortably. It's such a blessing, and I wouldn't be here without you guys' support and help with this channel. You're just making me happier every single day. So much cool content to come with this car. We're gonna be doing a lot of fun stuff. I'm not getting rid of the SRT. I'm planning to keep that as well. So now we have the best of both worlds. We have a manual right here. We have an automatic in the SRT. Two different beasts, two very fun beasts for the channel, and I'm super excited for the journey that is to come. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smack a like on it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos with this in-depth kind of breakdown of what the car is and everything that I got on it and stuff like that in the coming series of videos that will be posted. But until now, this is going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.